Hi Dry Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Baby Yoda all dressed up and ready for Christmas. So let's get started. To draw cute Baby Yoda, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So let's come right here. I'm just going to draw a big curve. And it's slightly more rounded right here and then slants down. From there, I'm going to round this part off. Bring this down. And about right here, I'm going to round off this little tip and connect. There. And then let's go right across, say about this much, right about right here. Give myself a point and I'll do the same thing. So from here, I'll go up instead. So it's just a little bit easier for me to see. And then I'll drag this point across because I'm drawing kind of big. So approximately the same height as the other eye. And once again, just like the other side, round it off about right here. And right here, we're just gonna go right across at the bottom and connect. There. So it's just kind of like two seeds, it kind of reminds me of. Okay, so then from there, I'm gonna come in here and just draw one bigger circle for a highlight and then a smaller one right next to it. And I'll shade everything else in. So same thing over here. So another bigger highlight over on this side. And then a smaller one right next to it. And shade everything in. So thank you for all the requests to draw a Christmas Baby Yoda. He is just the cutest thing ever right now, right? And yes, the last episode of Mandalorian was very, very exciting. And Baby Yoda is now on his way to becoming a Jedi. So definitely looking forward to the next season. Okay, so we have Baby Yoda's eyes in. Now let's come in between the eyes and we're just going to draw a soft curve right here for his nose. Just a small little curve. And then right underneath this curve, we give Baby Yoda a smile. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw big curve and slightly cap it off. And then let's come above his eyes on the side right here, and I'm just going to draw a curve right above his eyes, and lightly, and maybe another one. And same thing over here. So about right here, this area, just right above his eye. Just to give him his wrinkles. There. Okay, so then now that that's done, let's come to the side of where his eyes are. So let's say about right here, I'll come out a little bit, kind of maybe the center of this eye, come out a little bit. About right here, I'll give myself a point. And I'm going to very slightly give Baby Yoda some cheeks. So I'm just going to curve it a little bit. Then on this part right here, I'm just going to go up a little bit straighter to bring it up. So same thing right here. So kind of like in the center of this eye, come out and just pop it out a tiny bit for some cheeks. And then right here, go up a little bit straighter. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's come down and we're just going to go ahead and very shallowy, we're just going to put a curve right underneath the mouth. That's not a word, I know. So we're just going to bring this curve right underneath. There. Okay, so then from there, we can just bring this up tiny little bit right over his creases. And I'm just going to go ahead once again and connect it at the top. So this is where his Santa hat's going to be. From there, let's start to draw the Santa's hat. So I'm going to come right here and just pop out a big curve. So this is the white trim area, just a big curve. And about right here, I'll go ahead and connect it. There. And so now let's draw his ears. So in this area right here, we're going to pop in his ears. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a slight angle line. Come out. And say about right here. We'll stop about in this area. Give it a little tip, round it off, bring it in. And then we're just going to bring it all the way back here by coming down and put it in right there. And for some details on his ears, you can come about right here. We're just going to come down and connect. So let's do the same thing over here. So we're just in the same area right here, and we're going to end about right here. So that's just what we want to make sure right here, and then let's bring this out. So just like the other side, slightly, a little angle about right there. Take a look, step back and look at my camera. So about right here, I'll go stop, give it a little tip, and then once again, just bring it in, bring out a curve like the other side and connect. There. And so once again, the inside, the details, come about right here. And we're just going to curve all the way up. There. Yay, so now it definitely looks like Baby Yoda. So let's finish off the hat. So I'm going to come about right here and I'm going to bring this up. So towards the center, I'll go up to my highest point. And about right here, I'll start to come down past the trim area. And because Baby Yoda, and I'll add a curve right here as well. Sorry. And because Baby Yoda's ears are blocking the white poofy part, I've decided to bring this hat up. So about right in this area, I'm going to give it a little curve, give it a little curve, and then we can add the poof ball right here. Because I think it's very important that we have this nice little poof ball in this area. There. Very festive hat, right? Okay, so now that we're done with that, we can start to draw his Santa outfit. So just like his original outfit, we're just going to come right here. Come out with a curve and a curve. So we're still following his little robe that he has. And about right there, I'm going to go ahead and connect it. And then about in this area right here, I'm just going to add a curve just to simplify it. There. And then we're going to come in, say about right here and here. We're going to come out with a slight angle line. Just slightly. Bring it down. Now bring it down a little bit more. Okay, so before I draw the rest of that, let's come back and draw his hands. So let's come in this area we've created, and I'm going to pop out this hand right here. So this one's nice and simple, just to his side, and about right there. I'll stop, give it a little trim, and then his hand. So just a curve for a thumb, and another curve right here to connect. So on this side, I'm going to have him holding an ornament. So come about right here and let's pop out a curve. See, about right there. And I'm going to bring it in. Let's see. Bring it in. About right there and connect. And let's give it a little trim right here, just like the other side. And then his little hand. So about right here, I'm going to pop out a curve. So let's draw his thumb first, one, and then his finger together. And then in this area, we're going to bring down a straight line, and then a little curve right here for the top of our ornament, and then a circle, or whatever kind of ornament you want to draw. And then you can add a little highlight curve right here if you like. Or you can do that when you're coloring. Okay, so then now that we have the hands in, let's bring this, you don't want it too long. So about right there, I'll pop it out a little bit, just at the bottom for some trim. And then at the bottom right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and wobble a curve across. There, almost done. So let's give Baby Yoda here a belt because he is in a Santa's outfit, right? So right in the center, I'm gonna go ahead and draw the buckle. So it's just basically a rounded off rectangle. Round off the edges and then just come in here and draw a rectangle. And we're going to add a belt. So about right here, I'm going to curve, curve, and coming through, curve, and curve. And so then let's give our Santa suit here some trim. So right in the center, I'm going to add 2 lines. It's going to come down right there. And let's go ahead right in this area and connect. So same thing here. Ta-da! He's all ready for Christmas, right? And so that is pretty much it, except of course I'm going to add a heart right here. So now he's my Draw So Cute Baby Yoda, all dressed up and ready to celebrate Christmas. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this Baby Yoda turned out and inspires you to draw it too for the holidays. Thanks so much for watching, and if you love this and I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.